Hi everyone, Dave here with Safe Life. And if you're watching this video, chances are you are the kind of person who likes to be prepared. Which is great because when it comes to cardiac emergencies, being prepared is a really big deal. Today we are going to walk through how to use the ZOLL AED Plus and how to quickly check that it is rescue ready. AEDs like this one are designed to be simple to use. In fact, they are built so that even someone with little or no medical experience can step in and help during an emergency. And no, you do not have to be a doctor to use one. However, we do recommend training so you feel confident and prepared if an emergency ever happens. You can visit our website at AED.us to learn more about training options near you. The ZOLL AED Plus helps guide rescuers through the process with clear voice prompts and built-in CPR feedback. In this video, we will cover 3 things. First, how to check if the AED is rescue ready. Second, where the pads and batteries are located. And third, how to use the ZOLL AED Plus during a cardiac emergency. Let's start with the most important question. Is the AED ready if you ever need it? The ZOLL AED Plus performs automatic self-tests on a regular basis to make sure the device is functioning properly. The quickest way to check if the AED is ready is to look at the status indicator window on the front of the device. When the AED is ready for rescue, you will see a green check mark in the window. The green check mark means the device has passed its most recent self-test and is ready to be used in an emergency. If the device detects a problem, the green check will not appear and you may see a red X instead. The AED may also emit a periodic chirp to alert you that the device needs attention. During routine inspections, it is also important to check a few simple things. Make sure the electrode pads are present and sealed. Confirm the pads are within their expiration date. Check that the batteries are properly installed. Give the device a quick visual inspection to make sure everything looks in good condition. The quick checks only take a minute and help ensure the AED will be ready when someone might need it. Now let's take a quick look at where the pads and batteries are located. The electrode pads for the AED Plus are stored inside the lid of the device. When you open the cover, you will see the CPR D-pad electrode pads. These pads use a one-piece design that helps guide correct placement on the patient's chest. The electrode includes a compression sensor, sometimes called the CPR puck, which allows the AED to measure chest compressions during CPR. This works with ZOLL's real CPR feedback on compression depth and rate to help rescuers perform high-quality CPR. The batteries are located inside the AED under the battery compartment cover on the back of the device. The ZOLL AED Plus uses 10 123 lithium batteries that provide long standby life and are widely available. If you would like a closer look at the pads and batteries, you can also watch our full pads and battery video linked below. But as long as the batteries are installed correctly and the green check mark is visible in the status window, the AED should be ready to rescue. Now that we know the AED is ready, let's walk through how to use it during a cardiac emergency. If someone collapses and is unresponsive, call emergency services immediately and send someone to retrieve the AED and begin chest compressions. Once the AED arrives, place it next to the patient and open the lid. Opening the lid powers on the device.
Check responsiveness. Call for help. Attach defib pads to patient's bare chest.
The AED will begin giving clear voice prompts that guide you through each step of the rescue. First, expose the patient's chest. Remove the CPR D-pads. Remove the CPR D-pads electrode from the package and place it on the patient's chest exactly as shown on the pad illustration. The one-piece pad design helps guide placement and allows the AED to measure the quality of chest compressions during CPR. Once the pads are attached, the AED will analyze the patient's heart rhythm. Make sure no one is touching the patient while the AED is analyzing. If a shock is advised, the shock button on the AED will illuminate and the device will prompt you to press it. Before pressing the shock button, make sure everyone is clear of the patient. After the shock is delivered, the AED will guide you through CPR. The ZOLL AED Plus provides real CPR help feedback that can guide you to push harder or maintain the correct compression rate. Think of it as having a built-in coach helping you perform effective CPR. Continue following the voice prompts from the AED until emergency response arrives. The ZOLL AED Plus is designed to be simple, reliable, and ready to help when every second matters. By performing quick routine inspections and understanding how the device works, you can make sure it is ready if a cardiac emergency happens. If managing inspections, training, and compliance feels overwhelming, we also offer AED compliance and readiness programs that help organizations keep their devices rescue ready and compliant year-round. You can visit our website or give us a call to learn more about those options. We will also link it below. If you have questions about the ZOLL AED Plus or other AED products, our team is always here to help. Stay ready, stay safe, and thanks for watching.